Hi, Sean Nelson, 168 Manufacturing. Hey, I often get asked during the introduction or an overview of our equipment, how is it that the concentrations that are used for makeup coolant or topping off the machines is individualized? And I just want to kind of show how simple that is in our process. So I'm going to use this example machine here, this DMG Mori 4 in the demo. All we're going to do is click on this concentration button and enter a refract reading. So this would be something you would do maybe 2-3 times a week to keep your system in check. So you're going to go ahead here and click on the C button. You're going to click on bricks, enter in what your refractometer says. If there's a conversion factor in your coolant for concentration, it'll go ahead and convert it automatically for you there. When you go ahead and hit submit, it says, are you sure about this? It's going to make an automatic adjustment. You go ahead and confirm it. And then what you see back is a acknowledgement that says FullShop automatically updated the top off to 1.5%. So in this scenario, it had previously been filling at 1.1%. Our algorithm did some work and said 1.5% would be better. And then we got an acknowledgement back to the machine. So really, at the end of the day, all you're going to end up doing is submitting a refractometer reading a couple times over the week, and the system's going to self-tune for you.